everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are good. I know these are your holidays, but this is our learning time. This is our English class and I am your teacher Faiza. This is our playgroup class and today our topic is number 0. Everyone, do with me. Number 0. Trace in the air. Number 0. Everyone, do it. 0. And 0 means nothing. What is the meaning of 0? 0 means nothing. 0 का मतलब क्या होता है? 0 का मतलब कुछ भी नहीं होता. यानी I have zero thing in my hands. मेरे हाथ में कुछ भी नहीं है. Look here. What we have? We have 2 candy jars. How many candies are there? So many. And tell me how many candies are there? No candies. It means 0 candies. How many candies? 0 candies. This jar is empty. ये jar बिल्कुल खाली है. This jar is empty. There is no candies. And this jar is full of candies. So many candies. इस jar में बहुत सारी candies हैं. And there is 0 candies. So 0 means nothing. What is the meaning of 0? Nothing. Everyone, now make 0 in the air. 0. What is this? 0. And 0 means nothing. What is the meaning of 0? Nothing. Look at this. 0 like this. Now, everyone, use finger to tracing like this. 0. Yes. It's very easy. 0. Which number is this? 0. 0 का मतलब क्या होता है? 0 का मतलब होता है कुछ भी नहीं. लेकिन 0 एक बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट नंबर है. क्या है? बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट नंबर है. लेकिन 0 का मतलब क्या होता है? कुछ भी नहीं. यानी मेरे हाथ में क्या है? कुछ भी नहीं. I have 0 things in my hand. There is 0 candy in the jar. Look, how many candies? So many candies in the jar. I hope you all have learned the concept of 0 very nicely, that 0 means nothing. Allah Hafiz.